Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to give a review of Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream, which is for oily skin. If you have watched my channel or if you're new to my channel, first subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. In my previous video I have given the review on Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, which was for extra dry skin, and this review is for Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream, which is for the oily skin. So let's talk about the packaging first. So this is the internal packaging. The outer packet I just throw it, but you can check my previous video, the packaging of Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream or Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin. They both have similar sort of packing. There is just only one difference, that in upper line you can see for Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin, they have written there extra dry skin, and for Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream they haven't written anything else. So there are two sort of packaging you can get. Either it's 1.7 O's, which is $421 around, and then it's 0.5 O's, which is the smaller one, the travel friendly one, which is of $9.9. You can get it on a discount too. It depends from where you are buying it. So what I like about the packaging looks more expensive. It looks actually more cute, I would say. When you look at it, it gives you a really soothing feeling by looking at the blue color. It just reminds you of this ocean or a seaside. But the important thing is it's unnecessarily bigger. Like if you see at the packaging, you feel like you're getting lots of product, but when you open the packet, you will realize the cream is just inside this pot, and this rest of the one, they are unnecessarily big. I think if the packet is a bit smaller, then it's a more travel friendly than if it's that big, and it also makes it a little bit heavier. But as we know that the industries, they spend more money on packaging than rest of the product, so obviously they have spent more money on the package. Now let's talk about the texture. So if you open this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream, you will see it's more like transparent, but it's also in bluish in color. There is a little bit tint in that cream, which I didn't find in Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin, but still it's light in texture and it's perfect for layering. Like you can apply this on your skin, and then you can apply your makeup on it. So if you're doing layering, this texture is perfectly fine. It's shine free. It does not give you any sort of shine, you can check, and it's really lightweight, and it has gel-like consistency. That was its texture. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream, which is for extra dry skin, it's not like this sort of bluish sort of color, it's more like a white one. The texture for both of the creams, I think they both are like gel-like. You don't feel like there is a runny one or that one. I really felt that this one was a little bit lighter than the other one, but it has a strong fragrance. The key ingredient in Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream is sodium hyaluronate, which is derived from hyaluronic acid. Sodium hyaluronate is a smaller molecule of hyaluronic acid, so it can penetrate into your skin. And what is sodium hyaluronate? It's a natural humectant which locks the moisture in your skin, but it does not give you the moisture. That's another thing. And another key ingredient in that product is glycerine, and we know that glycerine is a natural moisturizer. It has lots of benefits for your skin. Beside these two key ingredients, there are other ingredients too. So some of the ingredients which are not good for your skin that are included in this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel cream. The first one is Dimethiconol. It's a sort of silicone. We know that silicone gives the silky texture, and it makes your skin feel smoother, and it fills the fine lines temporarily on your skin, so your skin looks more like plump, and it's a water resistant, so it gives the barrier on your skin, and it makes you feel like you have a plump, soft skin. But what's the downside of this silicone? That silicone, they trap debris in the pore. So if they make the barrier on your skin, so what happens? Whatever is under the skin can be trapped under the skin, and it can cause the acne. So I think that's the reason that some of the people, they complain that this cream gives them the breakout. Silicone can also prevent the effect of layering product. Why? Because once you have applied the product and it has caused the barrier, now whatever good you are trying to apply on your skin, it will not go or penetrate inside the cells of your skin, and it will remain on the top layer. The another ingredient in this product is cetearyl olivate or sorbitan olivate. They are naturally derived from the olive oil. They are actually the good one. They facilitate the retention of skin moisture, but they can cause the fungal acne. So if you have any sort of problem with the fungal acne, this product can give you the breakout or the fungal acne. Then it has another ingredient which is Dimethiconol. It's a synthetic silicone. Again, it's a silicone, and the purpose of this Dimethiconol to seals the hydration, but it can also clog the pore, and it can also lead the breakout. I think that's the reason that some of the reviews about this product, people complain that they have actually the breakouts. So that was a little bit review of the ingredient inside the product. Now you know. So if you are the person who does not want to buy anything which has silicone in it, so don't buy this product. This product is not for you. So now it comes to the application part. You can apply it on the daytime after washing your face, and you can apply at the night time as a night care routine. Another thing, it should be applied on the wet face, like when you have washed your face and the water is still on your face without drying it out with the towel. Then use this cream. Then you can use the other layer, like you can use if it's a daytime, you can use the moisturizer, another moisturizer, but if you are using it at night time, so you can use the night cream afterward. How I use this, I use my Pixie vitamin makeup mist, and it's still wet and it's on my hand. I have applied it on the top of the mist. In this way, it will lock the moisture in your skin, but if you are using it once your skin is dry, it will get dry and then you will have no effect. Like I have read the reviews where people, they complain their skin remain dry, dehydrated. So one reason of your skin is not getting the true benefits of this product because you might be using it in a wrong way. So this is the right way to use the cream. I have used the mist, but you can use the water. It's up to you. So once you have used the mist, let me show you on the part where I haven't applied the mist. So this part of my hand, I didn't apply the mist, and we can compare. So you can see the part where I have applied the mist, it's still looking moisturized, but the part where I didn't apply the mist, it has get dried. Another thing, you can use this cream under the makeup. So let me show you how you can use it. So this is my Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation, and I will apply this tiny bit. So what it does, if you have applied this under your makeup, it does not give you the shine and the greasy effect. I usually use liquid foundation or everything with my hand. So as you have seen, I did apply the mousse on my hand and there is no greasiness. It has gone perfectly with my cream. Usually when you apply any greasy moisturizer and then you apply your foundation, it just does not let your foundation to set on your skin. But as I have mentioned, there are some ingredients in this product which might not be good for you if you are allergic to them, especially the fragrance. There are lots of people who are sensitive to fragrance and they might not like, or they might have breakout because of the fragrance. They can have any allergic reaction with the fragrance. So I really don't understand why they have added the fragrance as this cream. Even if you use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin, I really like that one. And I was little bit disappointed with this one. In fact, when I bought, I thought I might be happy. And another thing, even though my skin is oily, this cream does not do too much good for my skin, but the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for the extra dry skin made my skin better than this. It didn't give me any acne, it didn't give me any breakouts, whiteheads or anything. I did apply it on at night time too, and it didn't have that effect. But for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin, it gave me acne when I try to use it at night time. So if I have to give the rating of this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water cream and then Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin, I would give my vote to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel cream for extra dry skin rather than this. So that's it. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.